In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows 7 system is too outdated. Please install KB4534310. So if you have been struggling with this issue, first, you need to restart your computer system and then run the Roblox game to check if the issue still persists. In case if it still does, then you need to open your default browser and head over to the settings menu. From here, click on Privacy and Security, and then click on the security option right over here. Now make sure safe browsing is set to the no protection option. Once you're done with it, check if it fixes the issue. But if it doesn't, then you need to clear the temporary cache files. Step 1, press the Windows key on your keyboard and then search for Run. Step 2, click on the Run option to open it up. It'll then instantly open up a dialog box. Simply type in %local app data % in this dialog box. A File Explorer window will open up, and then from here, head over to the temp folder. Then over here in the temp folder, head over to the Roblox folder, and then delete the Roblox folder. After deleting the folder, launch the Roblox game to check if the problem still persists. In case if it still does, then you need to clear the site cache. Simply head over to the Roblox website and right-click on the page right over here, and then select the Inspect option from the drop-down menu. From here, click on the Application tab from the panel that opens. Then click on Storage. After that, scroll down the panel on the right and click on the Clear Site Data. Once you're done clearing the site data, check if it fixes the issue. But if it still doesn't, then you need to head over to the Windows Start menu and search for Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel option to open it up. From here, click on Network and Sharing Center. Once you're on this screen, you need to click on your connection, then click on Properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on Properties. From here, select Use the following DNS server address. In the preferred DNS server, type in 8888. In the alternate DNS server, type in 8844, and then click on OK. Also, make sure IPv6 option is disabled. Then click OK to save the changes. After that, run command prompt as an administrator. Then paste these codes in the command prompt window step by step from the video description below. After completing this process, you can restart your computer system and check if the problem persists. In case if the problem still persists, then you need to first hold down the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. It'll then instantly open up a dialog box. Simply type in %local app data % in this dialog box. A File Explorer window will open up, and then from here, head over to the temp folder. Then over here in the temp folder, head over to the Roblox folder, and then delete the Roblox folder. After deleting the folder, head over to the Roblox website, and then click on any game. From here, click on this play button, then click on Cancel on this pop-up. Then click on Download and install Roblox. Once you're done downloading the file, install the Roblox game onto your system. Once you're done installing Roblox, check if it fixes the issue. But if it doesn't, then try installing it from the Microsoft Store. Simply head over to the Microsoft Store and then search for Roblox in the search bar at the top. Once you're on this screen, you need to click on the Install button to install it onto your system. Hopefully, this will fix the issue. Well, that's how you fix your Windows 7 system is too outdated. Please install KB4534310. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.